Okay, this revision video is all about changing percentages to decimals and then decimals back to percentages. Nice short quick one, this one. Right, to change a percentage to a decimal, what you have to do is divide by 100. Okay, so if we have 27% and we need to convert that to a decimal, we need to divide by 100. And when we divide by 100, that moves the digits 2 places that way, to the right. Okay, so the 2 which is in the tens column, okay, that which is in the tens column is going to move units and then go over the decimal point to the tenths. So you're going to get 0.27. Okay? Simple as that. Divide by 100, move the digits 2 places to the right. Okay, if you want, have a go at those 4 questions below. Press pause, have a go at them. I'm going to give you the answers in a minute. Okay, right. 23, got to change that to a decimal, so we need to divide it by 100. So that becomes 0.23. 57, divide it by 100. The 5 moves to the units column, over the decimal point to the tenths. Okay, so 0.57. 20%, the 2 is going to go into the units column, then over the decimal point into the tenths. So we're going to get 0.2. We don't really need to put the 0 after it, so 0.2 will be fine. Last one, careful this one, it's not 0.7. Remember, that 7 has to move 2 places. Okay, so it's going to be 0.07. Okay, it's only 7%. Okay, not 70. Right, make sure you're okay with that, because that's the one people often make mistakes on. Okay, second bit, to change decimals to percentages. Okay, this time you need to do the opposite. Multiply by 100. So this time the numbers are going to go 2 places that way. We're going to shift all the digits to the left 2 places. Okay, so I'll do the first one and then you can go to the next 4. So 0.34, change that to a percentage. Got to multiply it by 100. So the 3 and the 4 are both going to move 2 places to the left. So you get 34%. Have a go at the next 4 then. Okay, press pause, have a go. I'll tell you the answers in a second. Okay, right, 0.21, multiply it by 100. Okay, so the 2 is going to go over the decimal point to there, and then it's going to move again into the tens column. So the 2 is going to be in the tens column. So that's 20, and then the 1's right behind it. Make sure you put your percent sign in. Okay, this time, next one. 0.03. So the 3 is going to move 2 places. It's going to go 1, 2. So it's going to end up in the units column. So that is 3 in the units column. Don't forget your percent sign. Next one. 0.3. Let's be careful with this one. Right, remember the 3 is going to move 2 places. So it's going to go units column. Second jump into the tens column. So the 3's in the tens column. That makes it 30. So I need to put a 0 in behind it, 30%. And then the last one, this has still got to move 2 places. So the 1 is got to move from the units to tens, and then tens to hundreds. So I'm going to have 1 in the hundreds. The 7 and the 8 must be right behind it. So 1 in the hundreds, 7 will be in the tens column, 8 will be in the units column. So that is 178%.